What's going on, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to my new favorite knife. Not favorite knife, but favorite Kizer knife. This thing is kind of futuristic, as you know in the name. It is the Kizer Beyond. It just looks really cool. It's aesthetically pleasing. It just reminds me of futuristicness. I don't know if that's a word or not, but it is today. Um, this is going to be the final review over this thing, and I am sad to see this thing go. This is definitely on my list to get because I legitimately love this knife. I think it's, like I said, it's my favorite Kizer now. I love it. It's up there towards some of my favorite knives actually now. It's just super, super dope looking and just nice. I really like the way it looks. And not just looks, but feels. It just feels great in my hand. It's very slimming, it feels like in my hand. Obviously, you have a little bit of size right here, but I don't know why I don't feel it though. I've carried this knife around, fidgeted with it, used it. It feels good. It just smudge up a little bit because guess what? That's what satin does, right? Doesn't stay pretty for too long till you gotta wipe it down again. Great little pocket clip. It is very, very low profile though. So if you have thick jeans, that's the only thing. You might have a little bit of problems getting that on, or getting it to go down. That's the only problem with it. It is this, but it just makes it feel much. That's that much lower, I guess, in my hand. It's that much smaller. So that's like a give and take type of thing. It depends on the person whether that's going to be an issue or not. But I don't know if I told you it is titanium. The only thing that sucks about that pocket clip also, well, my opinion, what sucks about it, for other people that's two things that sucks, is the low profile and it's not ambidextrous. So if you're left-handed, you don't even get you just have to suck it up and have to use it right-handed, obviously, with the pockets, but that sucks. But you know what? It does make it look kind of cool, though. There's just nothing on this side, really. It just makes it look kind of cool. I like that. But it sucks for left-handies. Sorry, bros. Broettes. You do have a lanyard hole right there. That's a pretty good sized lanyard hole. Nice jimping right there along the back spacer. Titanium. Awesome feeling. Love it. You have a Tonto edge or type blade. Love it also. As I said, it is satin finish and it smudges up every 5 seconds. Um, you have a cool little Beyond. I'm guessing that is the designer right there or something like that. I don't know who the name of the designer is. I'm not quite sure. It looks like an AVI, but I'm not quite sure. If you know that in the comment section, let me know. Um, check out that steel. I'm going to show you guys. See if I can get it to come up for you. I know what it is, but do you? And the light, that's a sucky place to try to show people show people it. How about I just tell you, it's the S35VN. That's all you need to know, right? Great stuff. I love it. Wish I could have showed you, but I think you can just take my word for it. I don't think I'll steer you wrong. This thing, it opens so freaking smooth and just, it's crisp. It's crispy, I feel like. They obviously don't have anything but a thumb hole right there. Reverse flip, awesome, awesome. Can't really, I'm not real good like that. I keep getting my freaking goofy fingers on the frame lock, so I can't really use it by my thumb. I can't do it with the thumb either. So I just reverse flip. That's all you need to do, right? It does, that's one thing I guess I don't like. It is kind of a chunky little frame lock right there, so I have to really wash my fingers. I definitely get my fingers on there a lot, and I just have to kind of watch myself, which is why I can't use my thumb to open it. So I obviously have to keep reverse flipping it. But it does open very, very smooth and very, very well. It's got its own little sound to it, I feel like, in my opinion. Call me crazy, but that's just how I think. My ears, I got tinnitus real bad, so I might be crazy. I say I'm crazy a lot, my bad. I don't think I'm too crazy. I just hear things, right? What else is there? Let's check out some screws, because I think we got some T8s and some T10s. Let's check it out, check it out. No, it just looked bigger than that for some reason. Yeah. That's what she said. T8. Right there, right there, right there. So everything is T8, which is super nice. I like that. I like that. I like that. It's kind of almost like a little fuller right there. And I kind of talked about that in my first impressions. You're not really going to use it because you can't get your finger on it. I think it's just more of like a design purpose. I can literally just put my finger on it right there and flip it open still. So it's not even in the finger, like the thumb hole, and it works just fine. The only problem is it's not much of a tool right there either. So for sharpening purposes, it might suck a little bit. Um, that's going to be a little bit of a tight spot for you. I don't think it's going to be a fun one, but I don't know. But you do have your, I don't know if I told you, satin Tonto blade. Excuse me, I almost said Titan, I don't know why. But it is a Tonto, and I do like Tontos, and I do really like what they did here on this thing. I just think it looks very, very well. What else is there? Did I get a measurement? No, I did not measure for you guys yet. Cutting edge. Cutting edge, cutting edge, cutting edge is about 3.5, 3.4? 3.45. Let's go 3.45. There we go. Overall, you're looking about 7.9. I'm going to go 7.9 as the overall length. We talked about the right-handed pocket clip, the steel, satin, thumb hole opener, titanium handle, as you guys all have seen. Beautiful, beautiful. Check out the weight real quick. Because it does, honestly, for titanium, it don't feel too heavy. I might be surprised right here. Let's check it out. I think I touched it. Okay, we're good. We're good. 3.4, 3.5? 3.5. See, it's not that bad. It really does feel pretty good. Like, it's not heavy. I don't know if it's... Did I check it out to see if it's... It is kind of skeletonized on the inside, too. A lot of knives kind of are these days, it seems like. Just because to help with the weight and everything. As you can see on the inside. Just kind of helps out. You know, might as well, right? Might as well mill out a little bit. Now, the thing about this is you have, obviously, better steel. You have titanium. It's going to be a little bit more pricier. More towards the $169 for this thing. Not too, honestly, it's not that bad. I really think it's a good price for a great knife. I can't wait to get my own, try out, and just, I'll probably carry it all the freaking time, to be honest with you. It's just because I like it so much. Heck, I might even put like a lanyard on there or something, like with a lanyard bead, right, just to match it. No, I'm not that crazy, I'm sorry. See, I told you I was crazy, but not that crazy. But that's all I really got on this knife. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. If you like the videos, leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much.